Focus ready? Do you know how vulnerable your Wi-Fi network is? Today I'm going to show you a tool that will blow your mind. In 2 minutes, I got into your home network, I ran a word list, I got the password, and I got access to most of the devices connected to your Wi-Fi. You want to know how to do that? Let's get started. Alright, for this project, we'll be using a tool named Fern. If you're having a Kali machine, Fern will already be pre-installed for you. And if you're having any other Linux distribution or you're working on a Mac or a Windows, you can go online, you can just type download Fern and you will get thousands of results on how to download it. Now first, to start off Fern, I'm going to go on my terminal and I'm going to type sudo Fern Wi-Fi cracker. I'll press enter, password, and Fern is starting. So basically, Fern is a tool which scans your network, gets all the possible hosts and what all is connected to it. You give it a word list and it will scan all those passwords for the word list and then it will give you the actual password of the Wi-Fi network. For this video, we will be using an alpha network adapter. This is a network adapter which supports monitor mode. You can use any network adapter that has monitor mode supporting, and if you want to buy this, I'll leave a link in the description down below so you can do that. Alright, so as you can see, I have opened Fern, and for this you will need a word list. Alright, so if I go on my files, I've already downloaded one. This word list is known as ROQ. Now this word list, as the name says, there was a company in the late 1980s which got hacked and the hackers used this word list. And after it got hacked, they leaked this word list, proving the company how easy it was to hack them. So this teaches us not to actually keep very simple passwords because hackers use millions and millions of word lists to crack your password. So this was one. This is a very heavy file. You can download it off the internet. It's available on GitHub. If you want, I'll give you the link in the description below. So I have it in my downloads. I go on Fern. It's asking me to select an interface. So I have my network adapter connected and my interface would be WLAN 0. Alright, so we agree to. Let me just broaden it. Alright, then we can go on refresh, select interface, WLAN 0, and then we can start scanning for networks. After it starts scanning for networks, it will get me all the networks that this adapter can actually see. So when you open your laptop, when you find your Wi-Fi network, you see some Wi-Fi networks pop up that are available in your range. So as you can see, we have got 158 networks detected. Here, if I go down, I'll find my Wi-Fi network. Yeah. Here it is. And in this Wi-Fi network, it will show me some information. That is, it will show the SSID, which is wireless directed. The BSSID, this is actually the SSID in, you can say, computer language or computer code. The channel is 5. Don't worry about this. Power is 74. That means it is testing the range for you. And the encryption is WPA. So always keep your encryption on WPA2. I am using this Wi-Fi as a test. So that's why my encryption is on WPA. This will work on a WPA2 Wi-Fi network as well if you're wondering. But always for more security, you should keep every Wi-Fi network in WPA2. So what this will actually do, this will perform a handshake. Now a handshake is basically when you disconnect from a network and then you reconnect it. So there is a device that is connected to a network. It gets disconnected because the attacker is sending deauth packets. So when it sends deauth packets, it will automatically disconnect every device it's connected to. If you want, I'll do a video on that as well. Just tell me in the comments down below. So when you send a deauth packet, the host gets disconnected, and after some time, when it tries to reconnect, it will capture a handshake. This will capture a handshake. So a handshake basically means when a network and a computer are coming together. When they are coming together, when they're shaking hands, it captures that, and that is used when we are hacking Wi-Fi. Okay, so we'll be doing a regular attack, and here we can, it is showing us current dictionary file. So we'll be needing a dictionary. Let's browse that. It's there in my downloads. Yeah, so that file is in my downloads, roq.txt, and then I can just open this file. The word list is loaded. We're ready for attack. Alright, so here as you can see, we can press on Wi-Fi attack and then it'll show you what it is doing. First, it is seeing the access point. It is deauthing that Wi-Fi network. So now every device that is connected to it, it'll disconnect it from it. Then it'll tell me that the handshake is done. The handshake means when the devices have disconnected and then they have reconnected, that means the handshake is done. So as soon as the de-authenticating was done, we got the WPA key, which was JAI GURUJI. So this password was actually in that word list. So what you can do, you can get any word list online, or you can create a word list of yourself of all the passwords you can think that can crack the network. So I generated an automated word list from the net, as I told you, roq.txt. You can also go, and I'll leave the link in the description. You can download this word list. You can download Fern if you're using Kali, and if you're an ethical hacker and you came to this video, I am guessing you are using Kali. If you're using Kali, it will be already there installed. If you're using any other form of Linux or Mac or Windows, you have to install it manually. manually. I'll leave a link of a blog on how to do it. And after it will be done, it captured the handshake as I told you. It brute forced the WPA encryption. That means it tried every password in the word list that I gave it, and then it got finished with the WPA key which was written right here. So if I try to access the network right now with this key, it will get connected. So this is how you can crack Wi-Fi with fun. I hope you learned something today. If you liked the video, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.